welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is gonna be obviously for the month of August 2020. So I want to just get right into this. I'm so excited. As usual on my channel, this is a total surprise for me. I haven't peeked at what any of the potential products could be. So let's just get right started. If you want to see what is in my August Boxycharm box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. As usual, we have the cute little Boxycharm logo, and this is the base box, just like I get every month. Let's get started. Oh! I already see something I'm excited about. This first product is the Glam Glow MOISTURETRIP Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. So it says that it's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. Whoa. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. So this goes for $54, kind of up there in price. Obviously it's the full size, so there's 1.7 ounces that comes in here. Pretty good amount of product, you guys. Not complaining about that. Okay. The smell is like barely there. It's really subtle, which I like. I really don't like scents in my skincare products. You guys know that already. I just feel like it's a lot cleaner without that added scent to it. So already happy about that. And it's kind of green on the inside, which is cool. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Apply to the back of my hand. It's really lightweight, which I love for moisturizers. I don't want anything too thick on my face. Really easy to spread around. It just feels hydrating, you know what I mean? It's not sticky at all. It just feels really good. So I'm definitely gonna have to play around with this. I'm using it tonight for sure. I'm loving the fact that this is my second Glam Glow product in my Boxycharm boxes. I used to be so obsessed with Glam Glow. The masks are kind of expensive, but in my opinion, they do what they're supposed to do. They definitely work. They're definitely worth the money. So I am very excited to try this out. The next product we're gonna get into is from Butter London. It's the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. Looks like this in the packaging. I really like this blue on gold. And then, oh, it's the same inside. Love it. Okay. Oh, I love this concept. So you open it kind of like a pamphlet. I don't want to show you guys if there's a mirror in here. Oh, there's not. Okay. Oh, yeah, there is. It's just really little. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside. So it's a very neutral palette. There are little hints of like navy blue. I like how on the side it says, "Looking good, darling." Very cute. So it says in the description that this is a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Yes. Create an array of looks with this matte shimmer and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry mirrored compact. And this goes for $28, so not bad for an eyeshadow palette at all, especially for one that comes with 9 shades, so that's really nice. Let's swatch some of these and see how they look. We've got Freddie, which is this first one, Simon, second one, Mick, third one. Am I pointing to the right one? And then we have Francis right here, Billy, Nigel is this really light one right here. Archie is this sparkly light shade. And then we have Graham and Rupert. So I think it's interesting what they named these. I like these names. I do like the shades. I feel like they could have been a little bit more pigmented on the swatches, but obviously, as I always say, it's all about how it performs on your actual eyelids and not as much how it performs on a swatch. They can be deceiving. Why don't we try one of these? I'm just gonna try some of Billy that's right in the middle. I'm only gonna mess around with one of these shades because I don't wanna bore you guys with my eyeshadow application. And I already have my lashes on. So I used a brush just to blend Billy out into my crease. And then I also used my fingertip and I put some on my lid as well. And I feel like it's a very, very subtle eyeshadow. Like it came on really subtle, but it's pretty. This is definitely the kind of shade that I would go for. And I think it looks pretty nice. I do really like the shade. I just feel like it's not as pigmented as some of the other eyeshadow palettes that I have, so I'm definitely gonna have to play around with this a little bit more and then see how it goes. The pans of the shades in here are pretty nice sized, so you're definitely getting a nice amount for your money. The next product is from Milk Makeup. It's the KUSH Fiber Brow Gel. Yes, I am so excited about that. I literally just ran out of my eyebrow gel, so I was gonna have to go get some more. But now I'm definitely gonna play around with this first and see how I like it. So it says that this is a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. Goes for $20. This is exactly what I need. If you guys have been watching my videos in the past, you know my struggle with my eyebrows. They are just like non-existent. I've been struggling to try to grow them thicker and longer and bigger and everything, and it's just been a miserable experience. So I am hoping that this kind of helps with that. Let's see. They gave me the shade Dub, so it's like a brown. This is what the packaging looks like. I like how it's just that sleek white packaging with black wording on it. Okay, awesome. So this is what it looks like inside, just like the Benefit tinted brow gels. I know I already have product on my brow, but I might as well just try it for you guys. It doesn't hurt. Oh! So it's definitely lighter than my eyebrows. I don't know that this is the shade that I would use for myself. I would have gone for a darker choice probably. But I think on my natural brow days, this could be really good. It definitely did stick them in place. So I like the feel of it. It doesn't feel too heavy. It was really, really easy to apply. I just think I would have picked a different shade. So I really, really like the concept of this, like the fibers. I think that's really cool. The next product is from AESTHETICA, which is a brand that I've never heard of. And it is the Sunset Bronzer. So it says, it's the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan. This goes for $24. You guys know I really love to have that kind of dark tan, dark bronzers. I love my NARS Laguna, and I typically reach for the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'm in the shade tan. So I love that darker, more contoured effect. But let's just, this is a little bit dirty, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my brush. Oh, there's a lot of fallout. So I just gently dipped it in here, and like a lot of fallout. But again, I don't mind that if it's a good product. So let's just see. I honestly can't really tell because I'm already wearing bronzer. Let me test it on my wrist. So let me swatch it too. The swatch is very, very similar to my skin tone, to be honest. So I think this is definitely gonna be a bronzer for my more very natural makeup days. This is the swatch, and then I tried to blend some out as well next to the swatch. So it definitely, when it blends out, it's a lot more close to my skin tone. It's not like that crazy, sorry, I want to put some under my chin. It's not the darkest of the dark. I don't know if they have different shades. I'll probably check on that online and see. But if they had a darker shade, I probably would have grabbed that. Just because, as I said, you guys know I like that darker bronzed kind of look. But I do really like the color of it. I think on days where I'm trying to do minimal makeup but I still want to put something on my face, this is going to be really pretty. And it feels really buttery. Like when you put it on your skin or on your finger, it just feels really buttery and nice. So far I really do like this. I'm going to play around with this on my no makeup days and I'll keep you guys posted on what I think. The last product that I'm going to be talking about is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. Oh god, another eye primer. Okay. So this is a Cruelty primer. It enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Okay. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. This goes for $20. So let's see what it looks like inside. I think this packaging is really cute. I like how they have the little eyes on the side of it. Oh, I love this packaging. This kind of packaging is so like Barbie to me. I just love it so much. It says Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer Elizabeth Mott, and then I like how it has a cute little eye right here. A+ for packaging. I really, really love this. And then once you open it, obviously it has one of those little squeezers. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out onto my hands. And it comes out, guys, the same color as this packaging, so I love that. I'm gonna apply some to the back of my hand. Okay, so it feels really like velvety. It's not sticky at all. It doesn't really have any tackiness to it, but it feels really, really velvety on the skin when you put it on, and it's super, super smooth, which I really like. That's the only opinion really that I can form as of right now from first glance and application, but I do really love the concept of this. I'm obsessed with this packaging. This has to be one of my favorite color combos for packaging that I've seen in a while. I just love that Barbie pink on black writing. It's so good. But that is all I've got for my August Boxycharm box. I hope you guys liked this video. This was a really good one. If you ask me, I was really intrigued by all of the products in here. There weren't any of the products that I was just kind of like, oh damn, why did I get that? So I am excited about all of them. I'm definitely going to be playing around a lot with these products. I think they're all very unique and have their own little something that draws your attention. So definitely an A+ for the August Boxycharm box. Really excited about it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing and first impression of the products that came inside. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the products that came in my box. If you guys have tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them, what your opinions are. Give this video a huge, huge thumbs up for me. Share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, I post 3 times a week. That's a lot of videos, you guys. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.